Step input recording allows you to input notes into Logic in real time without actually having to record along to the click track, and it sort of quantizes them to a grid for you. And this is how you do it. So first of all, set up your software instrument track, make sure it's working. The next thing you need to do is, using the pencil tool, draw yourself in a small region. That'll create an empty region with no notes in it. We then open up the piano roll, and we can see then more clearly the notes that are going to be going in. And to get step input working, you need to make sure you click the MIDI in icon and make sure that's down. Okay, you'll notice now when you start playing the keyboard, it will start putting notes in for you. Just dropping in very short note values here, and we can I'll show you how to change those note values in a second. There we go. So you don't have to play in time, it just allows you to put the notes in. It's really good if you want to lay down chords for a song. Example. Obviously that's a tad too fast. Okay, so let's look at changing the note values to allow us to manipulate this step input a little bit. What you need to do is you go to your options drop down menu and open up the step input keyboard, and you get this keyboard, and obviously you've got your note values there as well as note velocities as well. If you don't read music and you don't understand these note values, then just hanging over them, it will give you the alternative kind of less theoretical values. So quarter notes, 8 notes instead of quavers, semiquavers, crotchets, so on and so forth. And the same thing with velocities as well. We can see the individual velocities of each of the notes there. Okay, can also apply sustain to a note, as well as doing triplet time and dotted time as well. So I'm going to lay down some chords which are going to be longer half notes. So I'm going to put down C chord first of all, okay, and we can see that there. And okay. Then we'll follow that on with some quaver notes. So you've got to be kind of careful not to do it too fast, otherwise it just groups the notes you're playing together to form a chord, which is no good really. So we're going to do that again. Notice that I'm putting the locator icon back. So let's just have a listen to what we have. Okay, and that's the process of step input. You can explore the various functions on here. Your MIDI notes will start wherever your locator point is, your song pointer. And that's how you use step input, that's how you step input rather than having to play it onto a metronome. Okay, that's it.